Guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at specifically how you can make $100 while building an email list. Now, this is not hype. This is just training for you guys. So make sure that you take the education that you're here, that you're getting here on this video and put action to it. So take action on it. I'm going to show you where to get these resources absolutely for free, and also how to get started with learning the skill set of building your email list. It is the most important asset that we can have as an affiliate marketer. So I'm excited to share with you more. I'm going to hop on my computer and let's go ahead and talk about it. All right, guys, here I am on the video on my computer. First and foremost, welcome back if you're coming back and watching my videos. Otherwise, welcome to the channel. My name is David Pinto, as I said before. I love making these videos and I'm excited to share with you the information today. Now, before I go ahead and start and show you and give you a little bit of a sneak peek what you're going to learn. Everything that I'm going to share in this video is explained in detail in the description of this video. There's going to be a link to this page right here. I'm going to share exactly this link and you can get started by, just putting your email address in and you'll get access to the first video of this course absolutely for free. So I just wanted to add that there. Otherwise, make sure that you do get, just once you click your email, once you put your email address here, guys, you'll get access to that. And then if you want to continue watching the other videos of the course, then it does cost you, and I'm going to tell you upfront right now, it's going to cost you $7 to get access to it. So it's a really affordable offer. And by the way, if you're watching this and you're on my email list and you're getting this video that I'm shooting, because it has a dual purpose for me personally, I'm shooting this video not just for my YouTube channel, but also for my email list, because I do want to share value with my email list. And this is how I'm doing it. If you're on my email list and you want access to this exact training, the link is going to be just below. Just click on the button and you'll be able to get access to the training. Okay, that is what it is. So let me go ahead and share with you in this entire course. It's going to teach you how to learn to make $100 per day on your email list. Now, I'm currently in the process of exactly doing this. So when I share with you this information, it's because I'm learning and acting on it to be able to apply this information. Okay, and the main aim here is to get to those 100 opt-ins per day, build your list consistently, and have a method that generates this whole process. Now, I've always shared on this channel, on my email list, everywhere, that there are two main skill sets for affiliate marketing. One is advertising and the second one is copy. And this training right here combines both those two things together. So no matter if you've got my affiliate marketing essentials course, no matter if you are on this YouTube channel and consuming this content, what I want to share with you is that within this training itself, it's really giving you both these assets and keeping you focused on those right skill sets. We're not going ahead and saying this is going to happen overnight. No, it's going to take you time. But once you have the information that's here in the course, and I'm going to show you what you're going to get access to once you do get the course. And guys, anything that I share with you, I personally have purchased myself. Otherwise, I would not review it. I would not share it. This is a course from System.io. Now, System.io is a free tool that I use to build. It's an all-in-one tool that I use to build my courses, this page that you can see on my email list, but also the funnels that I have. Everything is done with System.io. I love the tool. I used it for free for the longest time. Now I am a paid user, but as I mentioned before, I've used it for free for a long time just because of the value that it has to give. So there are a few things that are really important. Just to give you guys an idea of the pricing, this, up to 2,000 contacts, it's a free member. But if you want to have, let's say, 4 sales funnels, 5 sales funnels, then obviously you're going to go at least to the startup. That is the key element right here. It's really up to you. I would suggest to get the annual plans, but it's really up to you. Right now, I'm on the monthly plan as well because it's just progressed in this way. So as my journey has also grown, I've gone to the paid membership, but you can get started for free. Absolutely. Okay. So let's jump into it. When you click and get access to this course, what you're getting access to basically is a section right here in System.io, which is going to teach you everything, and you'll get access to this course. And as you can see right here, I have already finished it, and what you will have is basically, as it's mentioned right here, just let me pause this video. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me just check right here. As you guys can see, you will learn how to get $100 per day and everything else, right? So what he does with what Aurelian, basically, who is the System.io founder, he's created the software. So one of the things that I like about this specific course, guys, and how to learn these skill sets is the fact that you're learning from somebody who's before they've created a software, they've actually used and done affiliate marketing for themselves for a decade. So no, it's not a short amount of time. So you're not learning hypey things right here. You're learning specifically the key essential skills to build that list. So this whole introduction is going to basically take you to these 4 parts. So part 1 is how to get 100 subscribers every single day to your email list. This is every single day, guys, and this is important. I'm on part 1. In my journey as an affiliate marketer, I'm on part 1 still, because that's what I'm building, right? I'm building up that whole momentum of getting organically 100 people. And this is somebody who doesn't use social media that much and is still doing it, generating, 100 people or 100 subscribers to their email list through either organic traffic, but you can also use other methods, and he talks about it in that video. The second one is really how to convert those leads into customers. This is very important. See, the thing is, when you get started with email marketing or how to build an email list, many times what folks don't speak about or what people don't tell you about is really how to monetize that list. Everybody says, okay, the money is in the list, the fortune is in the follow-up, or you need to get better with your copywriting, or you need to get better with your different skill sets, but they don't teach you how to monetize your list. And that's exactly what you're getting here. How to monetize your list, I always think about it as these 2 elements in place. Now, maybe you've heard me talk about this in other videos, I'm not sure, but I talk about nurture versus selling. So what is the nurturing part of of building an email list, which is basically building a relationship. When you have a new friendship, you're nurturing that friendship, right? Before you recommend a film, before you say, you know what, let's go out for a coffee, let's go out for a drink, let's go out and do this, or why don't do you want to check that out? Whatever it is that you're recommending as an affiliate marketer, we are people who are sharing things to other people, right? Offers, products, services to other people. We want to make sure that it's right for them. We want to build a relationship with them first and foremost. So we want to nurture that relationship and then go ahead and share. This is the key element that people forget about, and they just try to market and sell, market and sell, market and sell. And this is in the long term hurting them rather than helping them. Okay, so this is teaching you how to bridge those 2 things together, convert your leads and monetize them even at $0.5 to, it's like literally 5 cents to $4 for each sale or each per lead that you're getting right there. And then how to make sales every single week from your email list and then have to track them and everything else. I personally have gone through this training, guys, and I keep going back to this training for specifically this reason. I'm not yet at $100 per day with my email list. So how do I get to that $100 per day with my email list, right? I'm doing affiliate marketing essentials course, which is the course that I created, has a different structure to it, but it's not, it's still focusing on these elements right here. It's still focusing on building to those 100 subscribers every day. Currently, I can very openly show you. Let me just sign in and show you guys. But I don't get 100 subscribers every day. As you guys can see right here. Yesterday, I got 32 subscribers at the time of when I'm shooting this video. Yesterday, I got 32 subscribers. But the previous day, I got 11. The previous day before that, 46. The previous day before that, 16. So this is not consistently getting me 100 subscribers every day, right? So I'm still building up that lead flow to be able to apply this knowledge. And I'm already applying this knowledge with the current leads that I have. I'm monetizing the current leads that I have. But what I'm trying to say right here is that you're still getting access to the information that's really focused on grassroots of the skill set itself. It's one of the reasons why I personally like it. But as you can see right here, basically you take them to this 3-step process. One is how do you advertise and get those 100 subscribers every day? Then how do you monetize those 100 to 200 subscribers that you're getting on a daily basis? And then how do you continuously make those sales every single week to maintain your email list and grow your email list? Because if you're not growing your email list, then you stick and that $100 per day doesn't work. So the best format is putting these 2 things together: advertising, and finally you're using your copy, your email. You're building an email list, and while you advertise, you're building an email list. As you build your email list, you're using your copy to convert that into $100 per day on a daily basis. I hope this makes sense. It is the easiest way to get started, in my opinion. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways. It doesn't mean that it's going to happen overnight, as I said, but it is one of the easier ways to get started, definitely. And I like trainings like this that get into the details right in the get-go, cost you $7, and just have a very clear idea of, listen, you need to get 100 subscribers. How do you get 100 subscribers? Okay, now how do you convert this in the right way and not bombard your list? Because it's not a good thing to bombard your list and just sell, 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 sell. So if you're doing that, first and foremost, stop. And then secondly, have a look at this. And everything, guys, all of this is available absolutely within the tool of system.io. You can do literally everything that is there in this training. And if you want, you can even, while you go through this training, if you want to get this entire launch kit, let me just show you. This is an added benefit. You can get a free funnel, a free website, a free email sequence, and a second funnel if you want, absolutely for free. All of this is a bonus resource to the course itself that you're getting. So this is how I would do it. My recommendation to you, as I said before, the link to this page, if you're watching on YouTube, will be in the description of this video. Otherwise, guys, if you're here on my email list and you're watching this, there's going to be a button below that will take you to this course and you can get access to it there. Okay, so that's personally how I would get started and how I am doing it right now to make $100 per day with my affiliate, with your email list. Why don't you try it? Let me know, give me your feedback, and I will be happy to hear from you and hop on a call as well in case that's needed. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. See you guys in the next video. Hope you got value from this. Hope this was educational. Just remember advertising, and then how do you literally use and monetize that list that you're building. But the focus is first advertising. If you don't have that advertising, then monetizing your email list is pointless. So first get that machine in place, and then secondly, go to part 2 and watch it. And that's the key element right there. When do you actually pitch? When do you actually sell? If I go to part 2, I'm already clicked on part 2. You can see it's a 20-minute training, guys. It's not a short training, and it goes into detail. You can see right here everything, make an irresistible offer, what is step 2, all in detail. It's mapped out and shared with you. So have a look at it, let me know what you guys think, and if you have any questions at any point of time, make sure that you do let me know in the comment section below. If you're watching this on YouTube, and make sure you do subscribe if you are also watching this on YouTube. Other than that, reach out to me, let me know. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.